Hello class, my name is Andrea Smith. Today I will be talking to you about the importance and different uses of respirators. This pertains to 29 CFR Part 1910.132. This course was approved and reviewed by Michael Guthrie, March 2nd, 2017. My name is Andrea Smith and I will be your instructor for this training course today. I'll be graduating from Nicholls State University in 2017 in safety technology. I'm CPR certified and I do have an ocean construction 10-hour certification. This training is for personnel that works in areas that require the use of respiratory protection. Respiratory equipment will protect the user against health and safety risks at work. This training will help you to obtain knowledge about the proper usages of respiratory protective equipment. This rule derives from OSHA Standard 29 CFR 1910.132, intended for all employees that are working in areas where toxins are released in the air and may become hazardous to one's health. The following objectives that we will be covering today will be: what is a respirator? Why do employees need respirators? How to use the correct respirator? How do you make sure respirators fit properly? And how do you inspect and take care of respirators? There will be no prerequisites for this course. The course completion requirements require you to participate in class discussions. You must attend class on time and stay for the duration of the course. There will be a 10-question quiz that will be given at the end of the course. And there will also be a question and answer session provided if necessary. What is a respirator? A respirator is an apparatus worn over the mouth and nose or the entire face to prevent the inhalation of dust, smoke, or other noxious substances. There are two main kinds of respirators: air purifying respirator, APR, and air supplied respirator, ASR. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, has established specific requirements to wear a respirator at work to ensure the use of a respirator is necessary and the respirator selected is appropriate for the anticipated hazard. How to make respirators fit properly. Tight-fitting respirators cannot provide proper protection. Quality fit testing offers more accurate, detailed information on respirators. Quantitative checks for faceplate leakage is also required to make sure there are no leaks coming from your face mask when using the respirators. When employees work in environments with insufficient oxygen or where harmful dust, fog, smokes, mist, fumes, or sprays are present, respirators must be used. These hazards may cause cancer, lung impairment, other diseases, or death. When determining the proper fit for respirators, determine what hazard is and its extent. Considering user factors that affect respirator performance and reliability. Selecting an appropriate NEO-certified respirator is very important as well. When do employees need to wear respirators? When employees must work in environments with insufficient oxygen or where harmful dust, fogs, smokes, mists, fumes, or sprays are present, respirators must be used. When do employees need to wear respirators? Use of respirators is required when employees must work in environments with insufficient oxygen or where harmful dust, fog, smokes, mist, fumes, or sprays are present, respirators must be used. How to inspect and take care of respirators. Inspect our respirators for damage. Only let experienced personnel make repairs. Must make sure respirators are cleaned and disinfected properly. Chemical cartridges and gas mask canisters must be changed out on a regular basis.
As if they're watching it.
Okay, now students, we're going to take a look at the respiratory protection training video and give you a chance to get a little bit more acquainted with respiratory protection equipment. Huh? You just gotta take the top pieces off. Like, you wash that out the mom. What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? You have to wash them out.
I want to. Everybody watch that now.
That's general language.
I'm trying to be.
You trying to kiss him?
We ain't got to do it like regular thing.
Let's see, you want this is kind of weird. Did YouTube start trying to lower this without?
Yeah, you got YouTube account? Well, you can
That
just
don't
put
make
it
sense
down.
to me. I'm already missing something. Sunday, they got something. How they doing? Sunday, I got a Monday.
Oh, they got same time?
Mm.
Yeah, good.
Okay. So then I'm gonna go back in and talk about the internet stuff.
Yeah. When you get in, like, hopefully learn some basics for that video and they put the link on there. What is this thing? What is it called? Paragraph, what's called, paragraph, you got it, 13, paragraph. Uh-huh. Go ahead.
Now we will take a 10-question quiz. In order to pass this course, you must make a 70 or above. After the quiz, we will go over the answers and discuss any questions you may have. I hope you have enjoyed this training and continue to be a safe worker in the future. The 10 questions that we will be going over for the quiz will be: what is a respirator? What are the two main respirator categories? Why respirators are necessary? When do employees need to wear respirators? Does the employee have to be fitted for the respirator being used? Does the air supply rate have to be greater or less than the maximum amount of air being inhaled? Can the respirator impair the worker's ability to see, hear, communicate, and move? Why is a respirator selection important? Do you make sure respirators fit properly? How do you make sure respirators fit properly? And what does quantitative fit testing offer? All the answers have been provided through the training. Like I said, we will go over the answers and discuss any questions you may have pertaining to the course. I hope you all enjoyed and learned a lot from this course. If there's going to be any questions, please contact me at any time. Thank you.